In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. If you're working with budgets, expenses, sales figures, or any list of numbers inside a Notion database, being able to total a column is a really useful feature. The good news is that it only takes a few clicks once your column is set up correctly. Start by going to your Notion page where your table or database is located. Make sure you're looking at the database that contains the column you want to add up. This method works best when the values in that column are meant to be numerical. Next, click on the column header, which is the title at the top of the column you want to sum. This opens the settings for that property. If your column is not already formatted as a number field, Notion won't be able to calculate a total properly, so that's the first thing to check. From the menu that appears, click on Change Type. This lets you adjust what kind of data the column accepts. Then select Number. Once you do that, the column is converted into a numeric property, which means Notion can now perform calculations with the values in that column. After the column has been changed to number, click on the same column header again. This reopens the options menu, but now you'll have access to calculation features that weren't available before. Look for the Calculate option and click on it. When the calculation menu appears, click on More Options. This expands the list of available calculations. Notion can do several things here, like finding averages or counting entries, but for this video, we're focusing specifically on adding everything together. Now click on Sum. As soon as you select it, Notion will calculate the total of all the numbers in that column for you automatically. You'll then see the total displayed at the bottom of the column. That's your summed value, and it updates as your data changes, which makes it especially helpful for ongoing tracking. If you add more numbers later or edit existing entries, the total will refresh on its own. One quick tip: if the total doesn't look right, double check that every cell in the column contains actual numeric values and that the property type is still set to number. Text-based entries won't be added correctly, and that's it. That's how to sum a column in Notion quickly and accurately, so you can keep track of your totals without doing the math manually.